Bridge Navigational Watch Alarm System. A Bridge Navigational Watch Alarm System, abbreviated BNWAS, is an automatic system which sounds an alarm if the hatch officer on the bridge of a ship falls asleep, becomes otherwise incapacitated, or is absent for too long a time. The BNWAS is automatically engaged when the ship's autopilot inactivate. BNWAS mandatory requirement. January 1, 2011, entry into force of June 2009, amendments to Safety of Life at the Sea, SOLAS, Electronic Chart Display Information System ECDIS, and Bridge Navigational Watch Alarm System BNWAS to be made mandatory under SOLAS, amendments to SOLAS Regulation B19 to make mandatory the carnage of ECDIS and BNWAS. History. Purpose by Danish Bahasa Plugs at IMO. The purpose of Danish, the establishment of Bahamas Maritime Authority, the thinking complex task of complying the various IMO convention. Adopted by IMO June 2009. Submission after vessel collide with road bridge in Danish water. Denmark flag as is a requirement for their vessel since 2003. What are the mandatory requirements on carnage in BNWAS? When it easy to reset a first stage alarm by a reset device located near being three-wheel house, reset devices are not required. Measuring distance and depth. 1. Use the scale indicator to track distance on a chart. Scales are expressed as precision and differ from map to map. The scale printed in the upper right corner of the map will look something like 100,000. A ratio of 1:10,000 indicates that every in 2.75 cm the map equals 10,000 in 25,000 cm in the real world. Charts with smaller scales provide us close view, devising more areas, detail, and markers. If you're familiar with the land maps, the scale works the same way there. A harbor chart, an example of a small scale chart. Navigator need a close view of harbor with all obstruction and other details. Larger charts show in waterways but few additional details. Sounding in phantoms. Find the unit measurement used to indicate water depth. Look at this upper right corner, the map. Near the scale, you will see of the unit of measurement printing in the big letters. You need to know this because chart is used all sorts different measurement. Your chart could include feet, phantoms, or meters. In the US, charts generally use feet phantoms. However, the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration has begun converting its charts to meter for sake of international consistency. Number 3. Water lowest depth. Read the chart to figure out the water lowest depth. The black numbers printed on the chart represent water depth. Each number indicates this is the average depth as a low tide, so most of the time the water deeper in sea. If you see a negative number, that means the water depth. At least 3 and 3 means phantoms 2 feet or 20 feet total. Flag authority requirements. What is the sole purpose of the Bridge Navigational Watch? The purpose of the NWAS Bridge Navigational Watch Alarm System is to monitor bridge activity and detect operator disability, which could lead to maritime accident. Thank you.